Good evening, brothers and sisters. Na me be actor J Jumba. I wan talk about something wey dey worry people for Nigeria these days. If you dey watch news, you go dey hear coronavirus this, coronavirus that, but I never see any single agbero wey the coronavirus don kill. Not even a single agbero.
Wait, no reach there. Na everybody for Naija be agboro. Why you wan put? I no try this thing, I no like this thing.
See,
I no like am.
see,
No try am.
I take God
Me,
beg you.
okay, you wan use me as agboro now? You wan use
You no
our guy?
resemble agbero.
Ah.
You no see as you be. I take God beg you, abeg. No ever spoil this runs wey we dey do. This lie wey we wan lie now. You know how much they go pay us for this lie?
Sha, na true.
No lis ten to this guy. No ever lis ten to anything wey he tell you. Anyway, he wan give una advice now. Make una lis ten to wetin he wan talk.